Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the Burj Khalifa. So without any delay, let's start our video. The construction of Burj Khalifa began in 2004 with the exterior completed 5 years later in 2009. The primary structure is reinforced concrete and some of the structural steel for the building originated from the Palace of the Republic in East Berlin, the former East German Parliament. The building was opened in 2010 as part of a new development called Downtown Dubai. It was designed to be the centerpiece of large-scale mixed-use development. The decision to construct the building was based on the government's decision to diversify from an oil-based economy and for Dubai to gain international recognition. Citation needed. The building is named in honor of the former president of the United Arab Emirates, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Abu Dhabi and the UAE government lent money to Dubai to pay its debts. The building broke numerous heights records, including its position as the tallest building in the world. Burj Khalifa was designed by a team led by Adrian Smith of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, the firm that designed the Sears Tower in Chicago, a previous record holder for the world's tallest building. Hyder Consulting was chosen to be the supervising engineer with NORR Group Consultants International Limited chosen to supervise the architecture of the project. The design is derived from the Islamic architecture of the region, such as in the Great Mosque of Samarra. The Y-shaped tripartite floor geometry is designed to optimize the residential and hotel space. A buttressed central core and wings are used to support the height of the building, although the design was derived from Tower Palace 3, the Burj Khalifa's central core houses. All vertical transportation except egress stairs within each of the wings. The structure also features a cladding system which is designed to withstand Dubai's hot summer temperatures. It contains a total of 57 elevators and 8 escalators. When they started putting the glass, they got a problem. They saw that the glass could heat up the temperature and could get up to 9 Celsius and 100. But they got to know that we can use aluminum on the glass, which when the sun will reflect the glass, it will bounce back. So they put it that and it was all fine. At a certain point in the architectural and engineering process, the original MR developers experienced financial problems and required more money and economic funding. Sheikh Khalifa, the then ruler of the Arab Emirates, granted money and aid and funding. Hence the changing of the name from Burj Dubai to Burj Khalifa. The concept of profitability derived from building high size and density developments and malls all around the landmark has proven successful. Its surrounding malls, hotels, and condominiums in downtown Dubai have generated the most revenue from the project as a whole, while the Burj Khalifa made itself little or more profit. The critical reception of Burj Khalifa has been generally positive, and the building has received many awards. However, there were numerous complaints concerning migrant workers from South Asia, but they were working primarily to the labor forces. The Burj Khalifa, as everyone knows, is very high. It can touch the sky and is the biggest in the world. I want to tell you one thing, that it has 164 floors, but it has many floors than anything. The top floor that people go on is 124. So I would like to say it. Centered on low wages and the practice of confiscating passports until duties were complete. So we have reached to the end of the video, and if you like this video, then we would also like to say like it, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to watch the first video I upload. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!